Gloria. Today, I want to share with you how to make step-by-step delicious Mexican birria. Yes, I know you guys are going to love it, and it's perfect for the holiday. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Mexican birria for the holidays, these are my ingredients. I have salt, black pepper, thyme, chicken bouillon, mustard seed, cumin, allspice, marjoram, cloves, bay leaves, 1 small piece of ginger, tomato, garlic, onion, guajillo chili pods, pasilla chili pods, and of course we're using beef. I have beef neck, the bone of the beef neck, beef neck with bone. I have sirloin tip without bone, and this is everything you need to prepare this amazing and delicious homemade birria. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start here by making the amazing and delicious sauce. I have the tomatoes that I'm going to cut just like this. I want the tomato to really get nice and mushy and soft and release the amazing flavors. I'm going to continue with the onion, and I'm using 1 whole onion that I'm going to cut in four pieces, just like that. Now I have the whole head of garlic, and I'm using 5 garlic cloves. Remember that the garlic is really going to infuse the meat and really going to infuse the sauce. So I'm getting all the skin off of the garlic cloves, and I'm going to add them where the tomatoes are at. Everything is a 1-pot deal. So I'm going to add the ginger, take the skin off. I'm going to slice away, and I'm going to add it where the tomato is at. I have the chili pods here, the guajillo chili pods. I'm getting the stems off, I'm getting the seeds off, and that's exactly what I'm going to do with the rest of the guajillo chili pods. And I have 10 chili pods of each. So I'm going to get all the seeds out of the guajillo and pasilla chili pods. And now I'm ready to add the spices. 1 tablespoon of each spice, and of course you're gonna have it in the description box. I hope, my friends, that you make this amazing and delicious homemade birria for your holidays. It's not gonna be too greasy. It's gonna be just perfect to enjoy for the holidays. And here I want to show you the pieces of the beef. I have the neck with bone, the pieces, and then I have this meat that I'm going to cut in little pieces. This is sirloin tip. It doesn't have too much fat, and that's exactly how I want it. I want the birria to be really delicious, really moist, really tender, but yet with not too much fat in it. I really want to enjoy this birria at home. And of course, the holidays are around the corner, and this is a perfect and amazing recipe to enjoy with your beautiful family. Okay, the meat is ready, everything is nice and cut, and the tomatoes have been boiling for about 10 minutes, and now I'm ready to put it in the blender cup. I'm going to use all the liquid, all those spices that are in there, and I'm going to blend until it's really nice and smooth. When everything is blended, I am going to add it directly into the meat. We are going to cook the meat in medium heat for about 5 to 6 hours until the meat is really nice and tender and has absorbed all those amazing flavors of the sauce. Don't forget to add your bay leaves. I am going to cover it with foil paper, but I'm going to add 1 cup of apple cider. This is really going to moist and give this sauce such a delicious flavor. Once you add the apple cider vinegar, you're going to cover it and cook it in medium heat for about 5 to 6 hours. Now I'm going to continue with the topping. Of course, I'm using onion, cilantro, and lemon. And I am ready to chop away. I am going to take the little pieces off. And then I'm ready to start dicing my coriander, my cilantro. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long. But this is a perfect topping for your birria. I have one whole onion here. I'm going to take the skin off. And then I'm ready to dice in very small little pieces. Take your time when you're dicing away and make sure you don't cut yourself. Once this is done, I'm going to put it in the same plate where the coriander is at. And I'm going to continue with the lemons. I'm slicing the lemons in 4 little pieces until I'm completely done slicing away. Let me tell you, if you got to this part of the video, you like and you love this amazing Mexican recipe, birria made at home, like, subscribe, and share so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Look at this. After the 5 hours and a half, I'm going to check the meat. Look at this. This looks amazing. And you could tell on the edges of the pan that there's not too much oil, too much lard. The meat is really nice and tender, pulls apart. And now from close up, look how amazing this sauce, this birria looks. You could see on the edges a little bit of the grease that has, rendered, but that's okay. It doesn't have too much. Don't forget, leave behind the bay leaves. They're still releasing the amazing flavor and aroma. I am ready to enjoy and make my special plate. The plate for the presentation. Look at this, my friends. I am sure that once you make it, you're going to fall in love with this amazing birria. I have white rice. I am going to enjoy it with white rice. I'm going to top it right on the top with a little bit of the cilantro, onion, and of course, the lemon. Look at this. This looks amazing, and I am sure and positive that once you make this birria, it's very easy to make it, but yet it's so flavorful and so delicious. I hope you make it. I'll see you in a bit. Amazing birria for the holidays. I added some white rice, and of course this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The meat is so tender, so juicy. Oh my gosh, let me tell you, when you make this birria, you're going to fall in love with it. So delicious and amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing and delicious homemade birria, especially for the holidays. So see you soon. Bye-bye.